Good morning, students. Yeah, how are you today? How are you doing? Fine, great, excellent. Okay, so today we're gonna be learning counting forward and backward. Counting forward and backward. Let's see what it is.
We're in a hot air balloon, and as we ascend, we're counting how high up we go in groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. Then we saw a blue jay flying with his friends. We asked him to sing along with us and count by tens. He said, "Excuse me, sir and madam, but I'm just a bird. For me to count by tens would simply be absurd."
Is he holding a pin?
We're in a hot air balloon and we're about to descend, counting how much lower we go in groups of 10. 190, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10.
Phew! We're alive!
I could tell that right. It really scared my friend. So I tried to think of a safer way to count by 10. I thought for a while, but a thought came to my mind. This time let's try to find a mountain we can climb. We're at the bottom of a mountain, and as we ascend, we're counting how high up we go in groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. We saw a bald eagle and asked him to be our friend. And if he'd come along with us and count by 10, he said,
Well, I can't count, but watch out. Don't step on that branch. If you break it, you might start an avalanche.
Oh no! That can't be good!
we're at the top of a mountain and about to descend. We're counting down to the ground in groups of 10. 190, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10.
You know, I like you, Ben. And I like counting by 10. But I really don't think we should try this again.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so that is it. So do you understand counting number forward and backward? Very good, students. So can you count number 1 to 10 forward? 1 to 10 forward. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now, can you count number 1 to 10 backward? 1 to 10 backward. Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, students. Next. What is it? What number is it? It's 15, right? And then we have 16. Can you guess what is the next number? Of course, 17. And the last number is 18. Great, students. Next. 600. 700. Can you guess what is the next number? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's 800. And of course, the last number is 900. Next. Let's start with 45. 45. And next, 35. 35. And 25. 25. What is the next number? It's 15, right? 15 and 5. So, number pattern. What is a number pattern? Okay, this is counting forward. Counting forward. We start with 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So, next, 0, 2, 4, and 6. So, the number pattern is counting forward by 2. Again, the number pattern is counting forward by 2. And the number pattern counting forward by tens. Counting forward by 10. So we start with 10, 20, 30, and 40. Very good, students. Next. Counting forward by hundreds. Counting forward by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, and what is it? 400. Excellent. Next. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is... What is it? Okay. Can you tell me the number pattern? What is it? The number pattern is counting forward by 5. Counting forward by 5. So, the next number is 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. It is equal to 25. 25. Very good, students. Next. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. And 35 plus 10 is... What is it? So can you tell me the number pattern? The number pattern is counting forward by 10. Counting forward by 10. So the next number is 35 plus 10. It is equal to 45. 45. Next. 5 plus 20 is 25. 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 plus 20 is 65. 65 plus 20 is... What is it? So can you tell me the number pattern? The number pattern is counting forward by 20. Counting forward by 20. So the next number is 65 plus 20. It is equal to 85. 85. So the next number is 85. Okay, now the number pattern counting backward. Counting backward. Alright. 90 minus 10 is 80. 80 minus 10 is 70. 70 minus 10 is 60. The number pattern is counting forward by 10. Sorry, counting backward by 10. Alright, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, again, the number pattern is counting backward by 10. Okay, 3, 2, so what is the next number? It's very easy, it's 1, right? Excellent, next. 50, 40, what is the next number? Excellent, it's 30, right? Again, 800, 700, what is the next number? It's 600, right? Very good, students! Counting backward by fives. Counting backward by fives. 15, 10, 5, and 0. The number pattern is counting backward by fives. What is this type of this number pattern? What is the type of this number pattern? It is counting backward by fives. It is counting backward by fives. Good job! Counting backward by hundreds. Counting backward by hundreds. Let's start with 700, 600, 500, 400. So, the number pattern is counting backward by hundreds, right? What is the type of this number pattern? It is counting backward by hundreds. Do you understand? Good job. Next. Counting backward by tens. Counting backward by tens. Right. Let's start with 70. Next, 60. And 50. And 40. So the number pattern is counting backward by 10. Right? As you can see. So what is the type of this number pattern? It is counting backward by tens. Excellent! Students, next. What number is it? 160. Minus 20. It is equal to 140. Minus 20. It is equal to 120. Minus 20. It is 100. Minus 20. What is the next number? So, can you tell me the number pattern? The number pattern is counting backward by 20. So the next number is 100 minus 20. It is equal to 80. Alright, students, next. Let's start with 700. 700 minus 100. It is 600. 600 minus 100 is 500. 500 minus 100 is 400. 400 minus 100. What is the next number? First, can you tell me the number pattern? The number pattern is counting backward by 100. Counting backward by 100. So the next number is 400 minus 100. It is equal to 300. 300. So the next number is 300. Excellent, students. Next. Okay, speak up. It's time to speak up. Woo. So, look at the number. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. What is the type of this number pattern? What is the type of this number pattern? The number pattern is counting forward by 5. Counting forward by 5. What is the next number? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yay! The next number is 30. Look at the numbers. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. What is the type of this number pattern? The number pattern is counting backward by 2. Counting backward by 2. What is the next number? The next number is 0, 0. Very good, students. Look at the numbers. It's 100, 150. What is the next number? We don't know what it is. And then we have 250, 300, 350. So, which one is the correct answer? What is the missing number? It is 200, right? 200 again. So, let's count the numbers forward by 50. Again, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. Next. 1,000, 800, 600, and the missing number, and 200, 200. Which one is the correct answer? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What is it? It's 400, right? It's 400. Again, let's count the numbers backward by hundreds, by 200. Again, let's count the numbers backward by 200. 1,000, 800, 600, 400, and 200. Alright, now it's time for the exercise. Are you ready for the exercise? Let's see. It's gonna be very easy because you guys are very smart, intelligent. Okay. Fill the missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. Look at number 1. Take a look at number 1. It starts with 75, 75, 70, 65, 60, and then 55. And what is the missing number? What is it? It's 50, right? This is counting backwards by 5s. Counting backwards by 5. So the missing number is 50. The next exercise. Number 4. Can you take a look at number 4? 350, 450. And the missing number. And 650. So what is the missing number? The missing number is tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Is 550, right? 550. So, what is the number pattern? The number pattern is counting forwards by 100. Counting forwards by hundreds. So, the missing number is 550. Next. Take a look at number 7. Number 7, we start with 31. 31. And the missing number, and then 27 and 25. So what is the missing number? It's a typo. Sorry, it's 29, right? It's 29. So again, can you count them again? 31, 29, 27, and 25. So the number pattern is counting backwards by 2s. Counting backward by 2s. Very good, students. Next. Can you go to page 9? Page 9. Alright. And take a look at number 1. Number 1. We start with 95, 95, and then 97, 97. And the missing number, what is it? It's 99, right? 99. And the next number has to be 101. Okay. And the last one, can you do it by yourself? You have to do it by yourself, alright? So, this one, can you tell me the number pattern? The number pattern is counting forward by 2. Counting forward by 2. Alright, students? So, this is all for today. This is all for today. Oh, and this is the last exercise. You have to do it by yourself, alright? Okay, this is all for today. You learn counting forward and backward. Counting forward and backward, right, students? So now it's time to say goodbye. I hope you really enjoy learning with Teacher Ady. Teacher Ady. And don't forget to do the exercise after class by yourself. Practice and learn. Goodbye. See you again next time. Good boys, good girls.